This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Good morning, guys. It is August 17th, 2018. This one here I got a call for no AC. I worked with this lady's house before. I think she's got a RUD unit over there. An older RUD unit. Calling no AC. So hopefully it's something simple. We are on our way. Look at the ice. This is the first floor. It's the first floor. So we gotta shut this off, and I'll have to come back. I'm gonna have to come back Monday and check it, see what's going on. But you can't run it like this. You're gonna burn it out.
Okay.
It's gotta defrost. It's gotta melt. You gotta leave it off. This is all gonna, defrost, and then I gotta come back and find out why it's doing that.
Okay.
You see how bad it is?
Yeah.
I mean, this thing's a flipping disaster. 2018, I'm going back to that job that was ice up there it's Monday morning. I shut it off. It was Friday afternoon. I was on the first floor, so I'm going back there Monday morning here and see why it iced up. Check the fan, the filter, and all that stuff, but it wasn't looking good on Friday. They had cooling on the second floor, so it wasn't so bad. It's kind of really cool down here. It's right on the water, so I wasn't too worried about it. They didn't want to pay the time and a half for Saturday, so. Try to get you some shots if it's interesting. So I got it off here, turn it on inside. Check it downstairs. Fan on automatic. Look at this shit, holy cow. Sounds like the fan's running. I gotta check the filter. Sounds like a little bit of gurgling action happening there. That ain't good. That's loaded with water. No airflow.
So it's causing the water?
I mean, the thing's loaded with water. Can't run it like that. We're going to have to drill a hole in this thing and drain it.
Oh, God.
Well, that thing's full of water.
Yes.
So it's not going to get no airflow because it's all got water in it.
Absolutely.
So what we'll have to do is I'll have to drill a hole in the back there and let it drain out. You got all these floor drains and stuff here, so we got to get rid of that water. That's pretty bad.
What fun.
Yeah, looks like fun. Believable. I'll get my drill and we'll drill a hole here and let it give it the old pisseroo right out here on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, right?
I don't think so.
That's what we'll do. Let's see if we give it a couple of. Give it the old Gundy. better when the water's out of it. I mean, crazy. This thing doesn't even have a plug in it either. I'm gonna put a plug in there. Blow that out. Make sure that's just draining. Unbelievable. There's a filter's here, so we're gonna pull this filter out soaked anyway. And get it out. Yeehaw! Unbelievable.
Well, we've been here for nearly 20 years.
We need a yard sale or something.
I'm sorry?
We need a yard sale.
No, we don't do that. Give this stuff away.
Would you like anything?
Oh, I got enough of my own stuff.
Yeah, I've heard that before.
What it is, over the years, you keep accumulating, and next thing you know.
That is accurate.
Yeah, next thing you know. Unbelievable, huh?
Where's it going to go?
It's gonna go right into that pit. That guy just put this new drain system in this house, didn't he?
We've had a lot of stuff go on in this sewer recently.
Oh man.
I think we have 2 sump pumps.
Yeah, they're brand new. The guy just put the system in. I mean, we're gonna put it to the test.
Oh, okay.
That's what it was. The thing was full of water. You weren't getting no airflow, so it iced up. I'm thinking,
Okay.
well, we'll get you going. We'll get it going and we'll check the charge and we should be all right now.
That's good. That sounds...
I could hear the water when I first came here. Glug, 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 glug. Still leaking, yeah. Well, at least it's not glug, 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 glug no more. So the air comes down there and then in that box and up. Wow, I mean, that's a lot of water. Unbelievable. Wasn't even a cap on there. I mean, that wasn't good. I like being retired. A new filter in there. We blew out the line, we put a cap on there, but I don't think that was the problem. We'll have to check, it might be low on Freon. It's a first company unit, which is a piston. Slide it up, we'll check the charge. Get my gauges on it and we'll check it. Wet bulb 70. $75 outside. Wet bulb 70, 75 outside. You're looking at 28 degrees superheat. That's where we're at there. So our charge is fine. Probably a rotted pan down there. I have taken these apart and cleaned them in the past, but our charge is fine. So we got other issues going on. It is possible that that plug was out on that drain. It might have been that it wasn't, you know, pulling the condensate out. But I'm gonna give it some time and let it run. And the charge is fine. Have to keep an eye on them drain holes. If they keep leaking, could have a rotted pan on the evaporator. first and second. I checked the charge on this last time I was here on Friday. This one's fine. This charge is fine. That water built up in that thing and blocked the fan airflow. Iced it right up. Pan don't seem to be rotted. It's hard to tell. Pan don't seem to be rotted. So we'll get it back together and run it. Don't seem to be dripping down. And we'll turn it back on and let it run. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Not easy being cheesy. Yeah, we'll turn it on at the thermostat again. Let it ride. We did blow this out. It's condensate line. Yeah, there's water in the pan. It don't look rotted to me. It looks a little rough, but still holding water. Yeah, a little crusty, but I don't think it's rotted. Look at that. That's amazing. A little bit of caulk on there and be done with it. All right, let me put it back together. Looks like a dead mouse there. Look at that thing. She's a little crusty, Mama. Oh yeah, next level. You're a little crusty looking. So I put that plug in there. We blew this line out. Pan seems to be okay. And we drilled a couple of holes in the back here and drained it. So I'll have them keep an eye on that. That'll stop it from building up if it ever. I don't know where all that water come from. That pan don't seem to be leaking. Should have had the plug on that trap. That wasn't good. So we'll let it run. And we'll come back and check on it in a couple of days. Recently put all this in with these two pumps here, so I'm not too worried about a little bit of water down here. It'll all drain down. We'll turn it back on and let it ride, Mama. Let it ride. Old equipment. Fan seems to be working fine. I did have this thing turned way down, but when I got here it was like on 60. Alright guys, I just left that job and they told me that the cellar flooded. That's why they put the pumps in there. So that's where all that water came from the flooded cellar. So now it makes sense. That's why that pit was chock full of water. That return box. They came and put the sub pumps in, and they haven't ran the air conditioning since that flood because it's on the first floor and their son, they live on the second. They run the second floor one all the time. So that makes sense now. Mystery solved.
Turn right on Paddy Creek Drive.
Mystery solved, mate. Shit, man. Mystery solved.